Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can speed up your Windows 11. So I will show you guys those options basically I use. So let's try to find those options. You have to click on start menu and you have to find for option in the search called power. You have to just type power, you will find this option, edit power plan. You have to click on that. So I'm basically gonna click on here the power options. So here you will find multiple plans like high performance, balanced, AMD balanced if you are using AMD processor. So I'm gonna just click on high performance. So for sometimes if you're a AMD processor user, then you will find the option called AMD Ryzen high performance. For some processor this option is available, but for some others it isn't available. Like the lower end processor doesn't have this AMD Ryzen high performance, and for Intel I don't know, but basically if you find anything with AMD or Intel high performance, you have to choose that. Otherwise you have to choose on high performance only. So after that you have to click on change plan settings. In here there are two options: turn off the display, put the computer to sleep. It's your choice, but you have another option here, change advanced power settings. Click on that. So in here in the hard disk menu you have to make sure turn off hard disk turn off hard disk after in here the settings must be 0 minutes, and wireless adapter settings for high network performance you have to click on that and click on maximum performance. Then you have to go to USB settings, selective suspend, I will say to make it disable. Then you have to go to processor power management and click and make sure it is 100% minimum state, and also make sure the maximum processor state is 100% as well. So and in AMD graphics settings, let's check if you have this one. Click on maximum performance. So make sure everything in here is basically maximum performance. So after that click on apply and OK, and click on power options, and so make sure that it is in high performance. So that's how you can increase the overall performance of your Windows 11. Also make sure to turn on task manager, and from here you can basically turn off some of the startup programs like Cortana and for example Microsoft Teams, the basic ones you can disable them. So that's how you can make your Windows a lot faster and very fast. It will be more fast, I can guarantee you that. But if you use the balance power settings, then it will be at least 10 to 15% slower. So if you want more contents like this, then comment and subscribe this video, and also subscribe this channel, and also thank you very much for watching.